Alright, so let's start on how do you focus better. I think a good idea would be to turn on the flame and look at it. Say focus, focus. Oh, okay. Focus. It's not a good idea. Okay, wait. I think I have an important mail which I need to answer. Just hold on for a minute and I'll be back with you. So there are a few notifications also, who like my Instagram page. This is what is happening to you every time you sit to do some work and you lose your focus because you have to look at the notification also, you have to answer that email also, or respond to your friend. The real problem over here is not that you have too much of distraction. It is that your entire world is overly stimulated. You have an easy access to this thing which distracts us the most is our mobile phone. You want to listen to the music, you want to watch that short reel, it's only 15 seconds or 30 seconds. How does that make a difference? It becomes an addiction that let me watch just one more reel, one more video, or let me see what is that friend of mine doing, or what is that ex of mine is doing. That is what distracts you from what exactly you were doing at that moment. So the first step to help you build your focus is to be in the present moment. What is happening right now, and not to be in future. And to be in the present moment, to address the issue or the problem that you need to resolve, you need to list down the problems or the challenges that you are facing. The problems which are giving you sleepless nights, you are not able to eat, or you are stress eating, or you feel lethargic or fatigued the entire day. So there is something which is bothering you. But what is it that is bothering you? Is it real or is it imaginary? Is it situational, that you see the environment around you and you get bothered basis on that environment? You try to draw future conclusions that this is going to happen to me also, or the world is coming to an end, or I'm going to die. Hey, newsflash, everybody is going to die. But are you going to do it? Is it going to happen today? No. You have your entire life. So the point here is that you have to find out what is the real cause of your problem. You want to make your finances better. Are you looking out for a job? Is there a problem in your relationship? What is it that is bothering you? And then there could be all these things simultaneously. So you need to list them down. Once you list them down, you need to figure out whether it is real or is it imaginary. Is it something that I am just building on and I'm just concerned about the future, not about the present? What is it that is causing me the problem? And the next step is that you need to start prioritizing your problems. Give them a point. This is my number one problem. This is my second problem. This is my third problem. The moment you do that, you will be clear, you will have the solutions in front of you, and you will start working on those solutions. So the first step is to be in the present moment. What is happening right now? Can I right now sit and do find a solution to my problem, or do I need to assign a time to sit and identify the solution? Step 2 is, what are my problems? Step 3 is prioritizing your problems and then working towards their solution. So when you do that, when you have a map or a chart drawn in front of you of what exactly do you need to do, you have assigned a time and you have done away with all the stimulations and distractions, that is when you would be able to focus and get the desired outcome that you want. So hit that like button, subscribe to my channel to get some more useful information on how to make your life better.